Cybertruck. We're here guys, nagpagawa kami ng income tax. Hindi pa kami nakapile, malapit na ang deadline. Here's the kids. Hi kids. Hello. Are you hungry? We're going to lunch later, okay?
Where?
I don't know, mommy said. The seafood thing. Dito na si Sweetheart to. Tapos na nagpagawa ng income tax.
Wala, kunti na pala yung tax na matatanggap ni Kitty. Pag nag-17 daw, 500 na lang eh.
Oh my gosh.
So, no more celebration, yeah.
Sure ka?
Yeah.
Ganun ba yun? Wala pa 18 eh.
500 nga, pag 18 wala na.
Oh my God.
At least Shane. That's it.
Gawa tayo uli ng bata. Gawa tayo ng boy. Ay kay... Ano
ba yan?
Tagal nila mag-grocery oh. Takes forever. Talking about the soda there. We're here waiting. Naghihintay kami sa anak ko. Nandun pa sa taba na kalat ko. Hinantay ko lang yung anak namin sa barkada. Ang bilis ko tumaba, mami, oh. Isang linggo pa lang, oh.
Anong isang linggo? Isang araw pa lang, ha?
Wow, mami. Honest masyado.
Isang araw pa lang, ha, eh.
Honest masyado. Tagal na walang upload sa YouTube, guys. Busy lang. Busy lang ang person. Sana yung sunglass ko rito, mami.
Do you think she wants her popcorn chicken?
But that's not much.
Huh?
Yeah, you can give it to her.
Right now?
Yeah.
So they can eat.
Let me see how many.
Girl?
No, the popcorn chicken. Not much?
You give to her.
This much?
Don't, why you... Yeah, okay, you can give the... Watch for car, huh? So they can eat also.
Oh, do you want me to give her soda too? Do you have an extra
Yeah,
straw?
hey.
Extra straw.
Why?
Because I already...
No, here, this soda. Our soda.
That soda? But
Yeah.
this one has a lot more.
No, this.
Yeah, give the two.
Two?
Mm.
Oh.
For acne. I'm only using this.
You're sick. Don't give it to her.
It's okay. You change the straw.
I'm
Oh,
just
here.
taking the straw. No, what? No, I'll just give the drink to acne.
And this one too.
Both of them?
Yeah.
No,
you can
only
carry.
one.
Only
Also
Maybe they're gonna drink that and they get sick.
Oh, give this one.
Leave that one here.
Just bring this
Don't
one?
give it to
Yeah.
her or you drink that.
Eric, ang gulo mo kausap. Huwag ka naman. Kaya mo sila if you want something.
Yeah, give the popcorn chip. Go Shane. Shane going to the friend's house. Go Shane. Focus ka na. Ano reaction nila? Oh, schoolmate yan, schoolmate. What you said?
I said, I don't know.
They eat this.
Bye.
What do you mean you don't know?
I forgot already.
Oh God.
Who said by you?
You like mommy, huh?
I said bye.
You give the popcorn chicken?
Yes. Of course I did.
And what they say?
Yes, sir. No, only I can't.
Are they gonna share? Tell them to share. Bio namin, oh guys. Habang naghihintay sa aming anak ko.
Buti pa yung
Ganito
ugoy
lang.
nagsusushi. Sino? Is eating sushi.
That's me.
Si Brian, salita ko.
Yun, nagkita kami ni Bay.
Dito sa Seafood
Makalipas
City.
ang maraming taon.
Ilan ba? 10 years na yata.
10 years.
Oo, tagal.
Tagal.
Kumusta lang kayo, Hugo, ha?
You like?
Dito lang kami sa Milpitas, guys. Seafood City. Ang dami mong makita dito mga kakilala pag pumupunta ka. Maraming Pilipino dito. Ayan, palabok. Siopaw. Popcorn chicken. Kate, where are you?